Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys seem to really like the natural glam look that I did a few videos back. You really want to see more natural looks, so today I did this soft gray sparkly smoky eye. It's not intense or dark, it's just really glam and soft at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections palette in Rosé. The first shadow I'm picking up is this light mustard shade. Starting with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. You're barely going to see the shadow, but this is going to be my transition shade, and it's going to add an extra dimension to the crease shadow. I'm now going into this gray shadow. I'm switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. When I do smoky eyes, I usually like to concentrate on the crease shadow first, just so I can get it really nice and blended, and then pop that shadow on the lid, and it just makes it so much easier and quicker. I'm just going to use that same brush to start packing the shadow onto my lid. And then just going back into that light yellow shade just to make sure everything is really blended. I always like to bring back the transition shadows to blend everything out. For my lower lash line, I'm picking up that gray shadow on my E20 short shader brush and just smoking that out. I'm now picking up this Butter London Glazen eye gloss in Mermaid. So it has a jelly texture, but then it picks up the pigment and it feels kind of wet but dries down completely. Now I'm just going to tap this all along my lid. And then just to lightly, really lightly, just blend my crease because I don't want to disturb that shimmer. To line my lash line, I'm picking up this cool brown. Using my Sigma E65 small angle brush, I'm going to start just lining my lash line. It's just going to add a little bit of darkness to the base of my lashes. I'm picking up this iconic London Illuminator in Original. With my Sigma E21 smudge brush, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. Look at how beautiful this highlight is. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Lashalicious Lashes in Sultrylicious. And that's the eye look done. So for lipstick today, I'm going to be going into this Ofra liquid lipstick in Manila. So in a few videos back, I mentioned that I tried out the iconic London Illuminator. So here it is. This is the one in Original. It's so beautiful. I was obsessed. I have a really hard time finding liquid highlighters that I like because I have to powder my foundation immediately or else my foundation will slip off because my skin is so oily. And then whenever I apply a liquid illuminator over top, it kind of just breaks up the whole foundation and just makes a really harsh line and wipes off all my contour and blush and foundation and concealer. So I tried this out, just gave it a shot, and it worked. It was amazing, and I'm so glad that I found a liquid highlight that actually worked with my skin. And it looks so beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply it, and yay, I'm so excited. So I'm just going to squeeze out the illuminator onto the high point of my cheek, and then I'm going to take my finger and start tapping that in. So I tap some of that in, and then I wipe off my finger on a paper towel or napkin or towel, and then pat that in again, and then I just take a clean finger and kind of just swipe over the edges just so it kind of diffuses and there's no harsh lines. And I use a really light pressure when I do this. So there is the highlight on its own. It looks so beautiful, and it just kind of gives you that glow from within look, which looks stunning. And obviously you can keep reapplying it to get a more beaming, brighter highlight, but I'm actually going to set it with a powder highlight, and I'm going to go into the Ofra Highlight in Everglow, and I'm just going to pick up this shade right here. And I'm going to apply that using my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. And look at how beautiful that is. This is kind of pricey. I believe it's around $40 something. It is pricey, but this will last a really long time. You need the tiniest amount to get any type of beaming highlight. I mean, I used it on my inner corner with literally the tiniest amount. So this will definitely last a while, and I feel like it's definitely going to be a money's worth. So I'm obsessed. I really like it. And that is it. This is the completed look of my soft, sparkly, gray, smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this gloss on my eye. I don't even want to call it a gloss because it doesn't even have that glossy feel. It completely dries down. It's so beautiful and so shimmery. I'm like shocked at how sparkly it became. I'm obsessed with it. So really quickly, I wanted to mention another tip about the illuminator. So I apply it with my finger. I found that with a beauty blender, which is how a lot of people actually apply it, it kind of messes with the illuminator on my skin. I feel like because I have foundation left over on my blender, or there's powder, or just the dampness of the blender, I don't know, something just messes with it and it completely wipes away my foundation as well. So I found that with my finger, it applies much better and it doesn't mess with anything at all, and it just makes it look beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also the list of the products that I used today, along with brushes, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And let me know if you guys are liking these more natural, softer looks, because if you are, then I'll definitely keep doing them. I will definitely be still including really dramatic, colorful, dark looks, because those are my favorite to do. But if you guys are liking the more softer looks, definitely let me know in the comments and I will keep them coming. So I think that should be it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!